Yes, guys, ring that bell. This is Aida Sarah once more. Today, what have I brought? Today, I'm just showing you guys how I make my banana food for banana and mixed with g.nuts, just boiled without frying it. The banana, boiled bananas. Let me say it is matooke. You just boiled one mixed with g.nuts, no frying. So I started with peeling. I'm almost done with peeling. I'm slow in peeling. That I'm speed, but I'm almost done. I started my charcoal stove is, I had already lighted it. Water is there. So after then I start cooking it directly. I'm done with peeling. Now I'm going to wash. Washing now. Yeah, it's just one person. See, something is in my charcoal stove. I'm going to use a charcoal stove for cooking. After that, I'm done with washing. They are not so dirty. Now I cut my tomato. It is boiling, not frying. I'm just going to boil it. That is why you see me. You put your tomatoes and the onions just like that. Just cut and put tomatoes and onions just like that. Then you put salt. Water is already inside, by the way. Yeah, then I put there. You put in the on fire for a little bit to boil. But don't make it ready before you put what g.nuts. Now it has boiled, then you put g.nuts so that it becomes ready with g.nuts once. Because even those g.nuts has to boil together with those matooke. I have put powdered g.nuts. They boil together with that matooke. They get ready together. Because if you put g.nuts when the matooke they are ready, the g.nuts can't get ready very well. Then after, I'm going to cover for a while so that it can get cooked very well. This banana, the one cooking it, we call it katogo in our place. It is called the katogo. Just there is no need of covering it with banana leaf for that one, the katogo one. For the banana leaves, I will show you one day. My food is ready, my dear. Then see the way my dinners now, they are also ready very well. Now it is yummy, nice to eat. Let me first serve a little bit and these people are also making noise here. Let me serve a little bit. I taste. Woo, my matooke is ready. Wow. You join me, people. So yummy. Try also. I don't know how you cook in your place. Yeah, I don't know how you cook, but in our place, that is how I have cooked mine. And by the way, that is how they cook. So others fry it. Join me, but yeah, just I'm tasting. So yummy. Wow. But it is too hot.